here is my Peninsula tour. So you start off by the front door. I really like these. The entire hallway and all the doors are like this nice lacquer. I don't know, lacquer? Maybe that's what you call it. By the front, you have a bunch of drawers. This is all our stuff. Directly across from all those drawers, you have a valet box, and I think they can open that thing on the outside so they don't ever have to open your door. Maybe if they're dropping off like an itinerary for you or some food, they can put it through a slot. It's kind of cute. And then you have a nice big closet. Over here, you can do your laundry, some bags to put in your dry cleaning or your regular laundry. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a garment bag. In this final one, you have another closet and some robes. Now, walking into the bedroom, so these doors actually close. And I really like them, especially this detail on here. So you walk inside and you see this nice, very comfy bed. Look how wide that bed is. It was really nice sleeping here last night. And I like the consoles here. It's like a smart room. So you can control, whoops, did I just close my curtains? No, stay open. That opens and closes the curtains. Then you have room light. Master switch shuts everything off right before bed. I love this detail here on the side of the room. It's really pretty. It's like this metal art. And then you have this long desk area. I love this. It reminds me of like a Hong Kong office or something. I feel like we're at an office building. So yeah, the safe is in here. I feel like that was on purpose with the design because the bar, you have some wine, ooh, some nuts and chips. Oh, ooh, you have more snacks. I like these. I bet it has like chocolate inside or something. And then your mini bar. Also have a station here. So this is a bunch of coffees and teas. And this is some glassware. And I bet this is where the coffee machine is. I was correct. Nice coffee machine. And turning this way, don't pay attention to my open, messy luggage. We were in a rush this morning. You have some pretty art, a couch, coffee table. I really like this for some reason. It's like a pink apple. And I like the colors. I feel like it was very purposeful. And finally, I'll show you guys our view of the city. The Peninsula, I believe, is one of the oldest hotels in Hong Kong. Look at that view. There's a beautiful fountain down there. And yeah, here's the building. And then you have a TV here, but it's a city. No way I'm watching TV while in Hong Kong. I love bathrooms so much. There's a P for Peninsula, and then you have a very large toilet area. I love when they're like separate from, you know, your sink. A nice shower. Took the quickest shower ever this morning because of course I wanted a full day here. And now for the sink area. This is my side. Look how